Hi folks, I'm Joel Vardy from Agility, and today I'm pleased to be showing you for the first time our deep integration with our new Help Center right within the Agility Content Manager. We'll be showing you how we've integrated support ticket functionality so you can view your current support tickets, to be able to comment and mark those tickets as solved, and to be able to live chat with our support personnel right within the Content Manager to help solve your problems quickly, and to search through the documentation to find the answers that you need right now. Let's dive in and take a look. You've always had the ability to create a support request inside the Content Manager, and we've left that there in the similar fashion that it was. But now you can see there's this My Support Requests button that's on here, and this is also available from the profile menu. I'm currently logged in as a test user, but if I click on My Support Requests, it will show you all the support requests that you have in the system that you can work with. And I've just put in some example ones here, but we can see that this ticket has, it's got a couple of comments on there, and I can add some other comments to it. But I can also, if this ticket has been taken, assigned to a user and a few of the rules have been followed, I can actually mark it as solved. So I'm okay with this ticket now. It's been marked as solved, and I can see when I refresh inside here, this ticket's now marked as solved. So I can see my open tickets and my solved tickets, and I can search through any of the ones that are in there, which is really great. So I can do all this through Agility without having to worry about logging into any separate systems, but I'm still going to get the support emails, and we still have our regular support channel through support@agilitycms.com. But this just gives you a way to work with those tickets without having to leave the Content Manager itself. One of the things that I'm really excited about is also supported by our Help Center, which is this little help button right here. And as you go through the system, I can open up this just by clicking on the question mark, bring up this Help Center. As I click through, it'll actually search based on the different section that I'm in. So I'm in the Pages section, it searched for pages for me. I'm in the Shared Content section, it'll search for shared content. If I'm in the Media and Documents section, it'll search for media and documents. And you'll see that the content is going to be, as we improve our documentation and sort of flesh that out more fully as the Support Center takes on more of a primary role within Agility, you'll see much more content show up in here. But right now, we've got some pretty high-level overview stuff and some really great developer documentation. So if you're looking at some of the sync stuff and some of the other things that are in Agility that are more developer focused, this is definitely a thing you want to check out. And you can link back to the full site, and this is all at help.agilitycms.com. So you can see all sorts of articles that are developer centric, but also I feel free to explore through the Help Center to see how our support works. There's lots of editor documentation, and that's what we're probably going to flesh out the most. And there's all kinds of developer documentation in there, as well as release notes. And so all this content, if I just switch back tabs to the Content Manager, all this content is searchable through Agility itself inside the Content Manager. But you also have this Contact Us button, and that allows you to do a live chat with one of our support reps. So let's just see what that looks like. I'm going to click Live Chat, and I've already started a chat before with Charlie. Let's just see if he still can talk to me here. Can you help me out? So as I chat, it puts me into a queue, and then whoever is available can jump into that queue. And here we have Charlie, who's going to help me out with this. All right, so I didn't really have a problem, and what I'm going to do is now I'm just going to go and end this chat. I could send a file through here and do all sorts of stuff to help support, to help that person support me. So I'm going to end the chat. I'm going to say, yeah, I was pretty happy with that. I'm going to send some feedback, and what'll happen now is a ticket will actually be created in the back end for this chat. So we're gonna be able to keep track of all that different stuff. So you can see. There was a chat with editor user that happened. that is all of my chat activity is actually kept in a ticket. So even though I'm doing live chat, it's still going to be tracked in the same way as all the other tickets that are tracked within the system. What I'm most excited about with this integration is the ability for us to have a closer connection with our customers and our partners, for them to more easily reach out to us and to see how we're working on any support tickets or questions or problems that they've been having, and also to provide a better feedback mechanism through documentation to help support the problems that everyone's having, the questions that everyone's asking, to be able to more easily find those within the system itself.